Hello. So check-in number 2 for you today. So like normal, I'm just going to run through your answers, make sure you are happy with the programme and your progress. So progress pictures we're going to take every Tuesday. We'll do a weigh-in as well. Weight's not really a major issue for us. Obviously, we want to keep it consistent because at the moment we're more going off visuals and just staying lean. So that's going to be more visual based than the weight, but we will keep on track of it just so that we know numbers are heading in the right direction. Step target, you don't have one, so you don't need to worry about that. You're getting a good amount of sleep, which I'm happy about considering your hours and obviously your crazy shift. So 6 to 8 is perfect, what you should be getting. 6 out of 10 on the energy level. I don't know whether it's through like maybe less sleep or maybe food, but you can let me know if there's anything I can do for that. Your biggest win is making it through the week, so that's really good. Then if we scroll down to your training section, 1 to 10, you're enjoying it, 10 out of 10, so perfect. Can't change anything there. Obviously you've got a newer program now, so you shouldn't be getting too bored of it too quickly. And it's challenging, but you're constantly progressing, which is perfect. It's what we need to be doing to see the muscle definition and keep stimulating them the way we are. And you're good with any swaps, so we don't need to be making any at the moment. No waking at all, so your muscles are now used to all the movements you're doing, so you're not getting any DOMs, which is great. And you've managed to complete all your gym sessions this week, so perfect. Keep up that routine, and that's where you're going to see progress. And overall, you are very happy when you're training, so that's what I like to see, because when you get bored of whatever you're doing, that's when you're not going to become as happy and you're less likely to stick to it. So we want to be keeping that a yes every week if we can. 10 out of 10 for nutrition as well, so obviously can't get any better than that. Hopefully you're enjoying your new plan now, a bit more variation. You're happy, you're not struggled with anything yet, and you stuck to the plan 100%, so ideal client, well done for that. So yeah, no changes for nutrition. Obviously you're getting into the new plan now, so you should be happy with that. Generally, you're happy with the progress you're making, perfect. And you're starting to see more definition in your arms and shoulders and your abs as well. So that's because of the fat loss occurring. So because you're only at maintenance calories, but you are burning energy through obviously your work and the gym sessions, you probably will lose a little bit of fat. And that's where you can see the definition coming in more on your core. If you're holding it there, then that's perfect that you're getting the start of some abs, getting that 6-pack for summer, and your shoulders and arms coming in as well, which I've noticed as well in training sessions. You can see your deltoids are coming in at the side. So perfect, you are doing very, very well. I'm very pleased with your progress. Obviously, fairly new training block as well as very new nutrition, so we're going to see how that works for the next couple of weeks, and if we need to make changes, we need to make changes, but this week, no changes needed. We'll do pictures and we'll do a weigh-in on Tuesday. But other than that, I'm very happy. So just keep up the good work and the routine, and we should see some good results each week through the pictures. Thank you very much. So keep cracking on. See you Tuesday.